When we buy a television set, we choose it from hundreds of different models. And we always insist on the most sophisticated aerials too. But perhaps we should think a little more about choosing the coaxial cable downlead. This is because the coaxial cable plays a vitally important role in an aerial reception system. It is the optic nerve. It transfers information. Just as the optic nerve connects the eye to the brain, the coaxial cable connects the aerial to the television set. There are many factors which can prevent a signal being passed safely and successfully along a cable. Sharp bends, tight spots, electromagnetic discharges, damp, and so on. This means coaxial cables should be chosen and installed with great care. Notice the poor reception of coaxial cables already installed along tubes. Underneath parquet, behind furniture or wallpaper, is not an easy problem to solve later. But remember that when you choose a CAVEL coaxial cable, you are choosing a quality brand. CAVEL have been producing top-class coaxial cables since 1968. In 1996, we were awarded ISO 9002 certification, and production levels in recent years have exceeded 100,000 kilometers of cable per year. This is our 13,000 square meter factory, located at Gropello Cairoli. Now, let's go inside and see how CAVEL products are manufactured and how our quality standards are applied. The laboratory at CAVEL is equipped with the latest technology available. This is where our ideas take shape and our procedures are formulated. Both incoming and outgoing materials are subjected to very strict testing procedures to evaluate their compliance with quality standards. The experimental measurement of the prototypes and production controls are performed using sophisticated instruments and equipment which permit both physical and electrical measurements. The life of our cables is guaranteed because they must pass very rigorous and extreme cycles in our modern climatic rooms, as required by international specifications. The company's PC network allows the values relating to the cables being manufactured to be communicated and controlled using our laboratory standards as a reference. When a cable enters production, the whole processing line is simultaneously informed of its standard characteristics, operations to be performed, and in particular, the values to be checked in each control context. That means any product is managed and controlled by a single centralized system, from the point of order through to delivery. The construction of the cable begins with the drawing of the inner conductor, generally consisting of an electrolytic copper wire with a purity of over 99%. The television signals run along the outer surface of this copper wire, thanks to the so-called radio frequency skin effect. The wire itself must have a constant cross-section and be perfectly smooth and rust-free. The preparation of the conductor takes place in the wire drawing department of the factory. CAVEL chose to produce the inner conductor wires in-house to have better control over the quality of the finished products. This conductor is then covered with a special polyethylene, which allows the propagation of the radio frequencies. These together form the dielectric, also known as the core or insulation. CAVEL have decided not to use chemical foam polyethylene in
iniezioni di gas inerte, azoto, che ormai appurato garantisce una maggiore resistenza alle sollecitazioni meccaniche in particolare alla piegatura. Per questo tutti i cavi CAVEL sono marchiati sulla guaina con l'appellativo Gas Injected. Il conduttore interno è svolto con una tensione costante e preriscaldato per favorirne l'adesione con l'isolamento. Passa poi attraverso la filiera dell'estrusore, la macchina che raccoglie il polietilene sotto forma di granulo, lo fonde e lo miscela all'azoto per uscirne ricoperto di polietilene espanso. Questa operazione è monitorata da diversi apparati ottici ed elettronici, controllata a vista sui monitor dall'operatore ed infine registrata su carta nei parametri di diametro, eccentricità e capacità. La seconda fase di questo delicato processo prevede il raffreddamento in vasca del dielettrico. Il momento è critico. Il diametro esterno dell'isolamento è influenzato dal tempo di raffreddamento. Ciò vuol dire che la temperatura dell'acqua nelle vasche e la velocità di scorrimento del cavo sono determinanti. Lungo le vasche sono sistemati gli strumenti di controllo, il misuratore di diametro, il misuratore d'eccentricità e lo strumento per misurare la capacità dell'anima. Con la nastratura e la trecciatura sopra il dielettrico si realizza la schermatura esterna del cavo. Nel reparto sono in funzione più di 200 macchine trecciatrici, la maggior parte a 16 fusi, altre a 24. Per questa lavorazione, anche se la produzione dell'azienda è altamente automatizzata, l'abilità manuale degli operatori si fa ancora apprezzare. Ogni rocchetto deve essere preparato scrupolosamente e sostituito con maestria. Questa quarta e ultima fase è ancora un processo d'estrusione. Consiste nel ricoprire il cavo schermato con una guaina di protezione. Comunemente i cavi di discesa d'antenna sono rivestiti con PVC. Per i cavi da interramento si usa invece il polietilene ed inoltre si provvede ad interporre tra il conduttore esterno e la guaina un ulteriore strato isolante e protettivo, detto tamponatura di petrol jelly. La CAVEL produce anche una serie di cavi speciali chiamati di sicurezza senza alogeni, la cui guaina in caso di combustione produce, secondo la norma CEI 2011, una ridotta emissione di gas ed è esente dai gas alogenidrici. Lungo la catena
halogens in conformity with relevant IEC standards. Sophisticated control equipment are again placed along the production line. Finally, the cable sheath is printed with identification codes and meter marked as well.
Statistico semi-automatizzato su rotolo da 100 metri. L'imballaggio del cavo è eseguito in un moderno reparto di confezionamento. Sono stati standardizzati 4 tipi di imballo per i cavi da discesa.
Dedicated department. 4 types of packing have been standardized for the TV downlead cables and 2 for the underground ones. Here, we are preparing 100-meter rolls, which can be used with our exclusive cable box packing systems. One box contains 6 rolls, and each pallet consists of 12 boxes. The cable box packing system is the foremost packing choice for down-lead cables. The system is based on efficiency, economy, and ecology. It reduces the amount of excess packing material and saves both money and effort. Cable box makes work safer and easier. The setting up of this new department marked CAVEL's debut into the multi-coaxial field. From the very outset, multi-coaxial cables have been used in wiring digital telephone plants. Today, however, they are also used for satellite TV reception, where the multi-switch distribution in both the domestic and international markets. CAVEL provides the professional installer not only with quality standard products, but also the end user with detailed catalogues in both Italian and English, plus useful accessories for handling coaxial cables such as scissors, connectors and crimping tools. An internet website is also available.
Aperti a tutti gli installatori interessati.
Updates and training sessions for the technicians are held by consultants at our premises. Well, now you just...
Il resto è nascosto nel nostro cuore.